Hey lovelies, it's Emma the Creative Gem back with another video. It's time for another room tour. This one is inspired by the beautiful ocean. I love water, and my main inspiration for this look is a rug that I saw at IKEA. It has all these beautiful blues that creates this beautiful painting, but in a rug. So this is my blue ombre bedroom. We're gonna start at this corner of the room. As you can see, I have my beautiful Mr. Bear here, some ottoman storage bins that I got from Five Below, and this laundry basket that I actually used to cover up my trash can. I got this at Ross and I think it was around $10 or so. Then we have some storage behind the door. This is a shoe organizer, and I use this to store my socks, my lotion, my toothbrush, or just anything I need to grab right before I shower. This lovely comforter is called Daydreamer. It's by the Macbeth collection, and I purchased this at Ross. Came with 2 accent pillows, which one is shown here, the comforter of course, and the sham. The other pillows in the back are from IKEA, which I also featured in my last room tour. So this little nightstand right here is actually an outdoor table that I got from Five Below. It was only $5, but I like the color of it, and I was able to store some pillows under there. So this made an ideal nightstand. I think I also really like this table because the design of it matched my curtain, which is also a shower curtain that I got from Aldi's. So this area right here is my favorite part of my room. I love decorating this hutch with my Christmas tree, some storage baskets, she cells, rocks, whatever it is that I have. I love using my items to decorate it with. Below I have my jewelry stand, my little piggy bank, my perfume collection, my TV, and then finally my Bluetooth speaker that I also got from IKEA. So as you can see, I added some little touches with seashells, rocks, and also added some little decorative lights. And I wanted them to represent like little fireflies flying through the grass. Alright, so that was a quick overview of my bedroom. I didn't go into too much detail this time because I didn't want to make this video super long. But if you like a really detailed bedroom tour, I have another one posted that you can check out, and the link is in the bio. So here I want to show you what my bedroom looks like with the lights off. Unfortunately, my camera did not picture like the mood that I wanted because it looks a lot darker than it actually is. But basically my bedroom glows like a whole candle with the lights around the bed and then also the lights around the hutch. And I love how this bird just glows and just brings the whole room together. It looks just really nice and romantic. Like I said, my inspiration for this entire bedroom theme and bedroom decor was the rug that I got from IKEA. I will also have that linked in the bio and you can go check that out. That rug also comes in a red color. To be honest, I wasn't feeling that as much, but the blue is just, it's just popping. It's just really, really nice. All right, so that pretty much concludes my blue ombre bedroom tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification right over there if you would like to see more creative content from me.